The Ecumenical Ministries of Oregon is an organization that looks to connect many of the different faith-based congregations and organizations. The program that the Equity Foundation is funding is the HIV Services Program, and it's two parts. There's the HIV Day Center, which is a community-based drop-in center for folks who are low income and HIV positive, and also the Daily Bread Express, which is a food delivery program for folks who are HIV positive and homebound. The grants really help us more than just the money aspect of it. I think it, to me, shows community commitment, really stretches outside of just that space, that it's really connected to the larger Portland community and the region.